A pleasant day to the enthusiastic learners. I am Dr. Shobha Edward, Principal, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, here to present a problem under scope of total income. So when it comes to the scope of total income, it can also be called as incidence of tax. So here, income of a person is taxable in a different form for a resident, for a not ordinarily resident and for a non-resident. So if he is a resident, it is taxable in one way. The provision is different for not ordinarily resident, and for a non-resident it is different. So having this in mind, I recollect the provisions for you. If income is received in India, it's taxable for everyone. If income is earned in India, it's taxable for everyone. If income is earned outside India, received outside India from business set up in India, it's taxable for a resident and a not ordinarily resident. And if income is earned outside India, received outside India from any other source, business is also not in India, it is taxable only for the resident. And income of the previous years earned outside India, received outside India, brought into India during the previous year is not taxable for anyone. So with this provision in mind, we go to this question. Fees for technical service rendered in India but received in London. So first question you ask yourself, is it received in India? Go in that sequence. No. Is it earned in India? Yes. Services are rendered in India, so it's earned in India. So it's taxable for everyone. Then the next one, Indian company interest received in London. Is it received in India? No, it's received in London. So it doesn't fulfill the first condition. Going to the next one, is it earned in India? Yes, Indian company. So it is earned in India. So it is taxable for all three of them. Then dividend from British company received in London. So this is earned outside India, received outside India, and it is not business in India also. So it is taxable only for a resident. So the fourth condition applies over here. Agricultural income from Rajasthan. Agricultural income is exempted. So it is in India. Agricultural income outside India would have been taxable, but agricultural income in India is exempted. So it is exempted. Income from profession in Kenya, which was set up in India, received there but spent in India. So it is received outside India, earned outside India, but the profession is set up in India. So it's taxable for a resident and not ordinarily resident. Then pension from a former employer in India, received in America. So the source, he is a former employer in India. The source is India. Though it is received outside India, the second condition, it is earned in India. So it is taxable for everyone. Now the totals of the various columns are put. So for a resident, it works out to 1 lakh. For a not ordinarily resident, 90,000. And for a non-resident, 80,000. So based on the residential status, the same income earned is taxable in different ways for each one of them. So as a recap, income received in India, taxable for everyone. Income earned in India, taxable for everyone. Income earned outside India, received outside India from business in India, taxable for resident and not ordinarily resident. Income earned outside India, received outside India, not even business in India but from any other source, taxable only for a resident. Previous year's income, past income earned, received outside India, brought into India during the previous year, not taxable for anyone. So with this, the scope of total income or incidence of tax is calculated. Thank you. Happy and smart learning. Thank you.